Okay guys, big day today. I got my chrome. Yay! And I got these 2 coil springs the other day and I was like, what the heck? And the other 2 boxes showed up today, so let's just dig into it and unpack our stuff, because when you get chrome, you want to open it up right away. You don't let it sit. You want to make sure everything's hunky-dory and up to snuff. And oh yeah, that looks freaking amazing, huh? But let me get it all unwrapped. And I'll drop that camera over here, take off the stand and show you everything up close. Well, there you go. It may not look like much, but that's $3,000 worth of stuff. 2,800 bucks. So I'll show you real quick with the camera, and the next day too. Today's Thursday. I'll come out here on the weekend, and we'll start putting this front end together. That's one A-frame put together. So back in the day, there were rivets here, big old rivet, and 2 spot welds holding it to this inner piece. And this is where the spring goes, obviously. And you can see I had spray painted the inside of this, old school trick from back in the day, because the flash won't go in there. So I think it looks pretty good. The only real way to get a good chrome plating job on that is to take it apart, and it'll be fine. It's the same thing Ed Roth did. So I got one down, and I got one to go. So let's put this down and grab the bits and make another one. shoot a little bit of a red Loctite in there, even though these are Nylox. Ed was a big fan of Nylox when they first came out because, hey, they're A-frames. I don't want them coming apart. So now we got to try and get these shafts in here and get that all built up and move bushings and whatnot. So let's move along and get that over with. There you go, gang. That's the bulk of the front suspension put on here, and I'm liking it. The springs are still loose, but they'll sit when it's down on the ground and the wheels are on it. This is about as far as I can go. I had to, the seal holder on this side, I had to sandblast those. I got to get gaskets for them still. Let me look at my junk over there. I got to get the seals, the gaskets, probably some other odds and ends and stuff. My backing plates here are loose that I couldn't find for the life of me locally. A couple of 7/16 bolts. I think they were 2 1/4 inches long. So, oh, there's a place here that has a lot of hardware. I'll see if they have it. If not, I'll have to get something and have it chrome plated, or I'll just call, I think it's Colony hardware. I can mail order it from them. But like I say, that's the bulk of it. I got all the grease fittings on. Some of the grease fittings were a big pain in the butt, I'll tell you what. I had to scoop some of the copper out and some of the chrome to get them to thread in. But I got them all threaded in. I gave everything a couple of pumps of grease, so it should be good to go that way. And I think I probably got about enough film footage here now for, oh, I don't know, maybe a 15-minute YouTube video. So I'll put something together so I can get it up quick. Don't laugh. I know what you're thinking. You got dirty minds out there. So I can put a video on the internet quickly. You guys out there. So that's it. Thanks for following along. And hey man, check out my website store, spritzbyfritz.com, for every t-shirt, coffee mug, keychain, fob, or something that helps contribute to the to the chrome plating costs. Or this patreon.com/spritzbyfritz. And please always subscribe to YouTube if you're going to watching this right now, just take a minute and click that subscribe button, and you'll always get updates every time I post something new and whatnot. And click the little bell too. So I guess that's it. Thanks for spending your time with me. I really appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch the stupid stuff I do in my garage, and I'll catch you cats next time.